Hello my lovelies, welcome back, or welcome if you are new here. I'm Maria from Maria Custo Designs. I'm glad you find my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to start different ways, an easy pattern. I'm going to show you different methods like Danish and English. I'm going to show you how to start a pattern without knots on the back. So let's keep watching if you are interested. Okay, I've got some different threads to show you, all of them in different colors. So as you know, DMC comes with 6 strands. So I'm going to take out one. So you just pick up one and just pull it out easily. Okay. Now, if you want to start without a knot, you're gonna hold the two ends together like this, and we're gonna pull it through the needle. Okay. That's it. Okay, make sure it's equal on both sides, and here we got a loop. Okay, this is called a loop start, and you can do it with different number of threads. So skeins. So this one is one skein folded in half. Okay, now, okay, I always do it from the left to right. So we go down on the bottom left, make sure you keep a little loop like that. Okay, careful, come up on the top right, and before you pull out all of it, you go across the little hoop. Okay, like this, and you can pull it down now. Okay, you go down on the opposite, so on the bottom left, that's it. Okay, and here, so as you can see, there is no knots. So now we just do a few more crosses. Okay, so this is the front, nice and neat, and this is the back. As you can see, there are no knots. Okay, next one, we are going to choose 2 skeins. So you pull it out one by one. That's the best and fastest way to do it. Okay, put them together, and okay, now both of the ends are like this. Okay, so there is no hoop on either end. What I'm going to do, start on the top again. So let's do it in the middle. I go down on the bottom left, pull it, but leave a little bit, like, you know, oops, it's too fast, like this much. Okay, I'll try to keep it this way, because I'm going to stitch on the top of it, so you won't be able to see. Now I come up on the same spot, well, next to the spot, come up like this. Okay, keep the threads nice and tight, and go up on the right. Okay, so this is the bottom left, go through the top right. Okay, like this. Go to the next one and do it again. So as you can see, we are securing the tail, so it won't go anywhere. 1, 2, 3. 4. Okay, now we are going backwards. So bottom right, top left. Okay. And in the last one, where it all started, I'm gonna do an extra. So I'm going up on the bottom left, go top right, okay, bottom right, top left. Now I'm just going to cut this off, okay. And here you go. So this is how it looks like from the top, and this is how it looks like from the bottom. So there are no knots, nice and flat. Which one would you like to try? With one skein or with 2 skeins? Sometimes you need 3 skeins, for example DMC 310, because it doesn't cover as much. So I'm going to show you how to start with 3, okay? Now we are going down from the top again. Where should I do it? Let's do it here. Okay. So I'm going to go down on the top right. Okay. Now keep a little bit. Okay. Pull it on the side. Now come up on the left, bottom left. Okay. Go back on the top right again, but make sure you hold the tail down. Okay. Now come back next to it, but pull the tail on the side. So bottom left, top right. Okay. And a few more stitches. Make sure the tail is horizontal right in the middle. Okay, now we just go back. So bottom right and top left. Okay. Now we cut off the tiny tail. And here we go. So we do 1 skein, 2 skeins and 3. As you can see, this one is much more covered because these two at the end is 2 skeins in one, but this one is 3. Okay. And here is the back, nice and flat. Okay, now I'm going to show you two different methods, the English one and the Danish. So most of the time I'm using Danish, and I'm using the English method if I have like a pattern with lots of confetti stitches or fractional stitches. So I'm going to show you first how to do the English one. Okay, so let's start with the loop method. So go down, keep the loop, come up on the top right and through the loop. Okay, okay, so the English is when you do one stitch at a time, so that's why it's perfect for confetti. One, okay, now I'm going to show you the confetti stitches. So for example, you've got one color here, but there is nothing next to it. Okay, so the next of the same color is, for example, done here. So you just go across and carry on with that stitch. Okay, not many people like confetti stitches because I'm going to show you how the back looks like. Okay, so as you can see, here are the 3 confetti stitches, and you have to travel with your thread to get to that part. Okay, it's still nice and flat because there are no knots, and it looks like this on the front. Next, I'm going to show you the Danish method, or you could call it a row method as well. So actually go up, let's start on the top. There is our loop, come up through the loop. Okay, go down on the same bottom part. Here we go. Now the Danish methods do a row. Usually I do 10 and go back. Okay, but if you have like I don't know, like this much of the block with the same color, you can go line by line how much you need on the pattern, or you can do it 10 by 10 and just go there. Okay, so I'll show you. Okay, here you go. So this is the English and this is the Danish, and at the back it looks like this. Now, so these are the ones which I suggest for doing as a starter for a beginner. There you have it. I hope you liked this video and it was useful for you. So I'm going to make an advanced video as well about this one. For example, I'm going to show you how to do parking method if you got like full coverage large pieces. I have one. I'm going to show you in next video. I'm going to show you specialty stitches, for example, French knots, bouillon knots, black work, so stay tuned for that. If you like my video, please subscribe and like this video so more people can see it. Or if you have any other crafty friends, you can share the video with them. I would really appreciate that. Or if you have experience already with cross stitching, let me know which one is your favorite method or how you do it. Or if there is any different way you can do it, which I'm not aware of. But most importantly, these are for beginners. So if you're just starting now, be confident. Watch the video again and start practicing with it first, and then start your own pattern, what you have. Practice makes perfect. Until my next video, happy stitching. Bye.